I'm going to show you how to insert multiple columns to your Microsoft Word document. So for example, if you have submitted your journal paper or conference paper and they replied you back that you have to format your paper into 2 columns or 3 columns page. Okay, so you can do that in Microsoft Word very easily and nice. So the first thing you need to do is to start by opening your Microsoft Word document, and then you can come all the way from Home tab. You can navigate to the layout over here, and you can see columns over here. You just click on this small drop down, and you can see right now it's set to 1 column. You can make it 2 columns, which is the requirement of many journals. You can see it has just formatted the entire document into 2 columns. Okay, so you can make it 3 if you want, depending. You can make it 3 columns. You can see just like that, with just a simple click you have made it 3 columns. Okay, and you can see easily. You can put in multiple columns, or you can define it to be left aligned, just like we have more on the left and just small narrow section on the left and another narrow section on the right. And you can play around with the section margins also from the ruler. If you have it enabled, you can easily play around with it. You can increase or decrease the sizing. Once you come to the top over here, you can easily increase or decrease the sizing from the top ruler over here. The same way goes to the other one on the left. You can easily increase or decrease by just selecting just like so. It's very easy to actually deal with this. But then right now, our major concern is if you want to have it to be right aligned, also you can have it to be more on the right or a little on the right and more on the left. Okay, or if you want to customize it to your liking, you can still come back to columns and you say more column features. Okay, so you can see right now we have dealt with 1, 2, 3 and left and right aligned everything. And you can say how many number of columns. You can define it manually from here. Okay, so you can make it 3 or 4 or 5 from here. For example, you can just come over here and you don't want to check it here. You can make it 3 columns. How many lines in between? You can specify whether you want to have a line in between or not. See, you can see the preview over here with a line and without a line. Okay, so it's very easy to configure everything. The width and spacing, how do you want it? You can specify it easily over here. If you want it to be equal width, you just click on this and you can see it is now equally separated between the 2 width. Okay, and if you want it to be 3, you can make it 3 and you can see they are equally separated within the 3. And if you want to insert a line to separate the 3 of them, you can see very easily and can customize it very easily. Once you say okay to this, it customizes everything and your document now becomes 3 columns and separated by a line in between all of them. And I think this kind of looks fantastic and cool. You can always refer back and change it to however you want it. If you want it to go back to 1, or if you want it to go back to 3, or if you wanted to customize it to any other number, you can do that from here.